snowy morning yet again. We are attempting, right? Where are we going? We're gonna go to get some coffee and breakfast and take you on the little journey with us.
You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here, all my reasoning have disappeared.
Getting some birthday bagels for Brittany and Jess while I have my protein bar. What'd you get, Britt?
Sandwich.
Woo! Britt got a new bowling ball. Let's check it out.
High pay.
Let's see. I'm so curious. Ooh. So pretty.
See?
Oh, wow.
And he said it's ready to go.
Nice. Did he put the blocks in there for you? The finger blocks?
Yeah.
Very nice. Oh, I like the yellow.
One's bigger than the other.
Why, is that because of your fingers?
Yeah.
Is it too tight or is it good?
Good.
Nice ball, Britt. Spin it around. Let me see the colors.
And there's a paw print.
Can you believe that? That is
Hey,
so
Baba.
awesome. Yay! Are you 32 or 23? All right, so it's several hours later. Just wanted to let you know what's going on. So today's Brittany's 23rd birthday. She's having about 20 of her friends. They're huge bowlers. So they're meeting at the bowling alley to have a night full of bowling and drinks and food and just a really good time. With the pandemic, the bowling alley is open. So she has no idea. Jess rented 2 lanes for them, or 3 lanes for them. And Brittany's nickname since she's little with all of her friends is Elmo. Don't ask where it came from, but they all call her El. So Jess and I went to Party City and bought a 4.5 foot tall Elmo balloon. We bought all kinds of decorations and stuff, and he's inside the bowling alley right now decorating. I'm going to pick up a bunch of her friends. Some of them are on their way here now. So when Brittany walks in, it's just going to be a total surprise. She's probably going to kill us that we went the Elmo route. Or she'll love it. I know she will. She's going to be like, oh my God. Because, you know, at 23, who wants to have like an Elmo themed thing? We weren't even supposed to be involved, but we just wanted to do a little something special for her because she's just such a great kid. So I'm on the way now to pick up some of her friends, bring them back here, and we'll see inside. I can't wait to see. Jess and I bought so much stuff, so I can't wait to see how he's decorated it. It's going to be great. So let's go pick up the gang.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah.
Well, hey guys, it's the next day, and as you can see, we still have a ton of snow out there. But after Britt had her fun last night, we all kind of slept in late. Jess and I came home, watched a movie, passed out. I was up half the night. I don't know, I couldn't sleep well. So slept kind of late and had my weigh-in this morning. Did good. I'm excited about that. Over 1 pound this week, so that was really nice. And you know, trying to stay focused. But I feel like I want to go for a walk today. So we are going to go hit the trail on this snowy day. It's actually not snowing. It's just really kind of gloomy and there's a lot of snow. It's like 32 degrees. So we're going to bundle up, have on a hoodie, I'm gonna put on a nice warm coat, putting on some Uggs. I've got my workout pants on. We're gonna go hit the trail. So we'll see you. Oh, look at Petunia, she's sleeping. So we'll see you over at the park. We made it to the park. It's freezing cold. Look at the light. The sun is so pretty. We're walking on the trail. And Jess has a monster. A monster for a monster.
Haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time.
Well, that was a fun day. And now it's, oh my gosh, it's almost 8 o'clock. I'm sitting here having my last fueling of the day. This is the hot chocolate. Love to unwind with this because I'm so cold. It's just a great feeling to finish the day. It lasts me like almost 45 minutes to an hour, and I'm holding it up against myself because it's so nice and warm. The dogs are sound asleep. Jess ran to his mom's for a little bit, and I'm gonna go take a shower and unwind. So this video clearly was not about food. It was just a day or two in our lives, and I just wanted to share. I hope that you liked it, and as always, I'll be back doing some food videos. This was just a little something different that I wanted to document, especially for Britt with her birthday. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. And remember, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. And we are doing it together. Stay focused, my friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.